with that, let's also bring on board Mr. Brijesh Ail of IDBI Capital Markets. Thank you for joining us here this morning, Brijesh. Always a pleasure speaking to you. But since hitting that record high of about 22,124, Nifty has given up about 900 points in a matter of 5 sessions. Can we defend 21,000?
Good morning, Suyash. So basically, we were seeing the correction. So, and the value for the 50-day moving average, which is the technical one of the parameter, that is somewhere close 20,950 level. So I believe 21,000 will be protected as of now. I don't sense there will be a further correction below 21,000. And for the day specific, maybe since we have corrected so much today, we are seeing a slight bounce in the market. This bounce may go toward 21,400, 450 levels. Not much more than that. 21,500 is likely to act as a immediate support, and the major support is at 21,800. Directionally, the view still remains cautious because the weekly and monthly structure is negative. So we're not extremely bullish, or maybe aggressive longs cannot be added at this level. But then the range which is defined right now, it's from 21,800 to 20,000, 21,000 immediate, and maybe further 200 points lower, 20,800. So this 1,000 points can be the range for the Nifty for the next couple of trading sessions. Buyers would be slightly cautious. Only stock specific trades can be taken at this point. Pharma is something which is, I think it's in uptrend. Even in this correction, pharma is not corrected. The pharma, the healthcare space can be the selective counters where we can take the positional trades. But rest everything remains trading with 2 to 3 days kind of a setup, no, not beyond that. Because maybe post the expiry, even we will be lined up for the budget session. Even though the budget is not much of the event base, this specific, but then there is a high chance we might come back to the 21,000 or 20,800 level. So this would be the immediate lower side support range for the Nifty.
All right, and key pain point for Nifty, at least in the last few sessions, and as Amit and I were discussing, has been the lack of support from the Nifty banking pack. The banking index has evaporated nearly 3,500 points from the recent record high. What do you think is next for the index?
Banking specifically, I think now today with the correction, bank has filled the gap. There was a gap up trade during the 4th of December. So that gap has been filled today. So and net Bank Nifty has corrected 61.8% of its recent rally. So today's low, somehow, if today we have a very good, strong, positive close, and 45,000 is held for the next 1 or 2 trading session, then I think Bank Nifty might form the base at this level. Pullback can be seen toward the 46,000, 46,500 level. But then I think if today everything goes right, then today's low can be protected, and that may form that there are early signs that I'm telling this because mainly because of the HDFC Bank, which has exactly taken support at the 1400 level. So I believe because of that particular reason, Bank Nifty might take support at today's low.
Good morning, Brijesh. I'll drive your attention to Bharti Airtel, which while the market was pretty much down yesterday, was close to its all-time highs yesterday. What do you see the reason behind this? Even today, it is up 0.26% as we speak. Is there something about the sector, or is there something else?
I think sector, specifically telecom, sector is also moving, and the Bharti on its own is also moving. And all this while in the last 3-4 trading session when the market was correcting, Bharti never corrected. So I believe there is a sectorial change in particular in Bharti Airtel. If I from the technical perspective, if I look, so everything is looking positive. Even the monthly charts are looking quite positive. Maybe it's slightly in the overbought zone, but the trend is definitely positive. I think corrections in the Bharti can be viewed as a buying opportunity. Anytime when it comes close to 1120, close to 1120, 1100 mark, I think traders can take this opportunity to take some trading long bets.
Right, and Axis Bank also came out with its numbers. The numbers were slightly below the street expectations. Operating profit has declined for the first time in 6 quarters. NIMS, as we know, has been the case with larger banks, was at a 5-quarter low. But operational performance, I mean, I think deposit growth was a big highlight in a otherwise weak quarter. Asset quality has improved as well. But, you know, talking about the stock, it's down somewhere around 4% this morning, and, you know, has seen major cuts in the last few sessions as well. So, how are you seeing the stock of Axis Bank on the price charts?
Suyash, I think post result, if stock is correcting means whatever the previous rally it is, the profit booking is coming in the Axis Bank. There has been a gap down, and tomorrow there and this is being a FO stock. Most of the positions will get unwinded. And if I do look at from the technical point of view, the levels of 996, which is 200-day moving average. So I would be cautious, not towards those points. I will review the position when it come back to 1,000 marks. So right now on an immediate basis, maybe if there can be some pullback, but I think the Axis Bank on its own might come close to 1,000 marks. So that would be the view for the Axis Bank. I won't take any long trades because why I'm saying this, because even before before the news also there were multiple times when the from the technical perspective Axis Bank was giving a buy trade setup, but every time whenever it gave a buy trade setup, it never gave the move on the higher side. So I'm slightly cautious, and after the post result, if the stock is correcting, I would avoid at this price. 1,000 is the level where it may form the base formation. So I would review it when it comes to 1,000 mark, whether to take the positional bet or trading bet.
Okay, Brijesh, you're advising against long trades on Axis Bank, but what do you what picks do you have for the investors today?
Yeah, so specifically, I wanted to avoid the call, very little call. Only JK paper. Paper stocks were moving over the last couple of days, and JK paper is something which has moved from the entire range. And yesterday, with the market correction, it has also corrected back to the support levels. So I believe JK paper would be one bet where it's the risk reward ratio is very small, and I think the potential upside is quite high. One should buy JK paper at the current price with a stop loss of 380 for the target of 460. Another bet is KNR construction. So again, this has formed has formed the reversal. Like there was a divergence and a volume breakout in the KNR construction. So I believe the market holds, or even if market doesn't hold it, the market doesn't fall down. I think KNR construction can see some good upside momentum. So one should go long with the current prices, stop loss at 245 for the target of 310. So this both the calls will be from the positional point of view, maybe from 10-15 days kind of a time frame. It won't be at intraday or trading, but a little bit of a directional call.
All right, those are the trading picks from Brijesh Iyer, JK Paper, and KNR Constructions. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us here on News 9. Always a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you.